Hello students, we are going to start first chapter Ice Cream Man. It is a poem. You will read it and enjoy it. First of all, the title is Ice Cream Man. You must have enjoyed ice cream. Surely. What is the taste of ice cream? It is sweet, it is also creamy, and everyone likes to eat ice cream. Look at the picture. Ice cream man is there. He has come in the street in order to sell ice cream. Children have gathered around him in order to buy ice cream and other edible materials which they like in the summer. First of all, I would like to read first page. When summer is in the city and brick is a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. Rachel Field. The poem has been written by Rachel Field. Students, you can see the poem has got 4 stanzas. And in poems, there is a rhyming words are there. We try to find rhyming words by looking at the last word in every line. First of all, we come to stanza 4. There are 4 lines in stanza 1. Now see the last word, city. Second line, heat. Then cart, and then street. Now which words rhyme together? Second line and fourth line. Second line there is heat. Now the words which rhyme with it, street. Heat, street. In second stanza, last word is umbrella. Second line, sight. Then mounds, white. Now second line, last word is sight, and fourth line, white. Now sight, white. These words rhyme together, so we can say sight, white. Similarly, stanza 3, last word is strawberry. Second line, drink. Third line, fizz. Fourth line, pink. Now which words rhyme together? Once again, second line and fourth line, drink, pink. We come to last stanza, final stanza, fourth one. Bed, peas, round, honey bees. Now rhyming words are peas, honey bees. So these are the rhyming words in the poem. Children, you have to read the stanza again and again and enjoy its content. After that, on new page, new words are there. Blaze, meaning given, bright flame or fire. Trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Then mounds means heap, pile. माउंट का क्या मतलब होता है? ही, ढेर किसी चीज़ का, कोई भी चीज़ का ढेर हो सकता है, अनाज का ढेर हो सकता है, ग्रेन heap of grain, heap of sands, stones. There is another word, pile, P-I-L-E. All these three words have same meaning, heap and pile. Next word, frosty fizz. Children drink making a hissing, bubbling sound. Then cluster means to collect in one place, gather round, or group of similar things. Cluster. There is a cluster of trees, cluster of flowers, etc. Children, just after that there are comprehension questions. In which season is ice cream popular? Ice cream is popular in the month of summer, when it is too hot, very very hot. Everyone likes to eat ice cream, not only children but elders also. In which season is ice cream popular? Answer is summer season. Second question, who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? According to in the poem, who feels joyful? Children. Children feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. Once again, go to stanza 3. Stanza 3, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. These are the things the ice cream man is selling. Ice cream man is also selling bottles full of frosty fish, green, orange, white or pink. So your answer is, name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. So vanilla, and then chocolate and strawberry. We come to the next question. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man is selling ice cream as well as cold drinks. See the last question. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? Look at stanza 4, last stanza. His cart might be a flower bed. Flower bed. Flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So question is, how it is compared to? What it is compared to? The ice cream cart compared to in the poem. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? So the answer is, the ice cream cart is compared to a flower bed in the poem. After that there are other exercises. You should try it. Okay. Write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. First of all, students, you will try yourself. In my next video I can tell you the answer. Then we come to page number 5. Circle the words where you get the sound. One is done for you, already given. Honey, bees, ja sound is there. Similarly, you can find many more words. You have to encircle them. Now come to page number 7. Color the boxes that have rhyming words. There are boxes, and in each box there are 2 words. What you have to do? Color the rhyming words, the words which rhyme. City and cart. Now do these words rhyme together? Perhaps not. No. One is city, second is cart. So you will not color it. Heat, street. Yes, rhyming word is there, so you can color it. Blows, goes. It is also rhyming words are there in the box. Now do, go. Words are rhyming. Then you have hard, yard. You can do it. Bowl, doll, no. Cow, so, no. Label, table. These words are rhyming together, so you can color it. Sky, my, again you can do it. Play, obey, again you can color it. Race, face, you can color it. Write, night, you can color it, because these words rhyme together. So thank you, students. You can ring me when you have any difficulty. For today we stop here. Thank you.